This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jennifer Jackson. Open house 5/7 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Cute craftsman bungalow duplex on a quiet dead-end street. So many possibilities with this property. Add 2 rentals to your investment portfolio. Rent one side and live in the other to cover your mortgage. Potential to purchase and convert back to single-family living also. Each unit has 1 bed/1 bath plus office, living room, and kitchen. One unit will be vacant at the end of May and the other unit has tenant with lease through end of May who would like the opportunity to stay if it works out with new owner.Owner/agent listing. Property is tenant occupied. Please plan to attend open house on May 7th. All other showings must be scheduled with list agent well in advance or offers made contingent upon viewing property.See agent instructions. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer Jackson at 865-693-1111.